Minimalist versus Maximalist organizing styles. When it comes to organizing your space, people usually fall into one of two camps, the Minimalists or the Maximalists. Both styles can totally work. It just depends on what feels right for you. Let's break it down with 5 simple points to help you spot which style you lean towards. Minimalists love clean lines and empty surfaces. They like their space to feel calm and open. Maximalists, they love layers, textures, and filling the space with things that bring them joy, like books, art, plants, you name it. Minimalists keep only the basics. If it doesn't serve a purpose or make them happy, it's gone. Maximalists organize by grouping similar things together. They love a good collection, and they love showing it off. Minimalists are big fans of hidden storage. Think baskets, drawers, and shelves that keep everything out of sight. Maximalists, open shelving is their best friend. Their stuff isn't tucked away. It's part of the decor. Minimalists buy less, but they're picky. Every item has to fit the vibe. Maximalists, they love to collect over time. Souvenirs, vintage finds, or that cute mug they couldn't resist. Minimalists often feel calm in a space that's neat and simple. Maximalists feel inspired, surrounded by their favorite things. Both styles can feel welcoming, just in different ways. So which one sounds more like you? Or maybe you're a little mix of both. And hey, no matter your style, keeping your space organized sometimes means making room for extra stuff. That's where Arco self-storage comes in. We've got clean, safe, and secure storage options to help keep your home feeling just right, whether you love clear spaces or cozy collections. Visit our website at www.arcostorage.com. Make space for the life you love with a little help from Arcos Storage.